When you first launch Smoke, you'll receive the Autodesk Smoke 2013 splash screen. Here we can set several things such as host computer, storage volume, projects, and users. In this video, we're going to take a look how to create, edit, and delete users. Right now, I have no user created, so I want to click the New button under User. The Create New User profile appears. The first thing we need to do is give this a name. I'll name it after myself, Ken LaRue. Then you have the option as to what keyboard shortcuts to use. The default are the new Smoke 2013 hotkeys, which are based on Final Cut Pro 7 hotkeys. If I click on this, I can choose Flame hotkeys, or I can choose Smoke Classic hotkeys. I'll leave them set to the default Smoke 2013. And then you can see the path as to where the new user will be created. And then you can choose to have your user create a default set of new preferences, or you can copy them from an existing user that is on the current system. If you choose to copy from an existing user, you can choose to copy all the preferences, or just click where it reads all and just copy the shortcuts. This is very handy when you want to copy the shortcuts or preferences from another user because they've been customized and you want to use those same customized shortcuts. I'll leave this set to new preferences because I want to create the default preferences for this user. I'll click Create, and my new user named Ken LaRue has been created. Now I want to start my project using this new user. So I click the Start button, and Smoke is going to launch. Once Smoke has been launched, you can create new users, edit existing users, and delete users. Go to the File menu and choose Project and User Settings. The Project and User Settings dialog box appears. Under User, you can select the user you want to edit. If I choose Edit, the Edit User Profile dialog box will open. Here I can switch things such as what hotkeys I'm trying to use, or I can even go and delete the user from this list here. I'll choose Cancel for right now. You can create a new user from within inside the application just by choosing the New button. Then I can give this user profile a new name. And then I can switch the keyboard shortcuts accordingly. And then create my new user. The new user is now created and available to me from inside the flyout. To load the new user, I click Load, and that is now the new user that is loaded. To switch to a different user, again go to the flyout, choose the name of the user profile you want to load, and again click the Load button. Once the user is loaded, you'll notice the blue highlight. Then close the dialog box.